Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix your microphone not working in FragPunk. So it's simple and easy to do. Just go right here to the settings, go to the audio, and make sure that voice input device is your microphone, and make sure that your voice mic volume is at 100%. So that's pretty much it. Now we can go to the settings right here and type sounds. And as you can see, if you go to the sound settings, you will see you can test your microphone, and you will need to choose your input. So choose the same microphone that you put right here. So I put the SteelSeries one. So I will need to put this microphone Artex Nova 3. So that's pretty much it. That's how you fix your microphone in FragPunk. So thank you guys, and see you in the next one. Peace.